Alright, today I'm going to show a little bit more technical rather than maintenance. If you have a 2019, chances are you currently have or have had a blower motor recall, which is to replace the electrical line for the blower motor. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of show what that looks like. As you can see here, got a new power wire. It goes from the fuse box up to the blower motor, and I'll show you why they did this recall. I think it was kind of forced by the Amazon vans when they were a thing. There's not really any Amazon Sprinters anymore. So as you can see, I've done a lot of these recalls, but things like this are why this recall exists. You can see these ones that are pretty well burnt. This happens when the blower is run continuously for a long amount of time and the wire is just not heavy duty enough to handle the power draw. Got some minor burns, but like this one is definitely on the extreme side and that fuse wasn't blown. So things like that, that's why this blower motor recall exists. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what this recall looks like. Tools I use, some snap-on depinning tools. Nice. Alright, now that I'm not distracted, some Tessa tape. This is for popping the cup holders, side cuts, and some fine needle nose. A T20 for the glove box, and this custom-made depinning tool for removing this. I made this myself out of one of these tension lock or belt tensioner locks, and so far it has been my favorite homemade DIY tool yet. So I don't see this blower recall very often anymore. Most of them are done, at least in my area, but occasionally we get the vehicle that does still have one, so I'm just going to get right into it. So first thing I gotta do is remove the glove box. Like I said, this is where my pry bar comes in handy. This part can seem a little bit stressful, but usually I can leave all that stuff in the glove box. Getting ahead of myself here a little bit. So move this. Move that. I don't have my pocket screwdriver on me. Go grab that. So, really quick, this is the blower motor recall, or blower motor fuse, before the recall is done, on 2020s and up. This is where the new fuse location is for that. They did make the correction 2020 to already have this done, which is why it's only affecting 2019s. Okay, so now get into removing this glove box compartment. 8 screws total. If you're ever removing the glove compartment for whatever reason, you don't need to undo this one, you need to undo this one. This one's just for this air duct. So now I got all those undone. There we go. That's better. And if for whatever reason this spring pin breaks either of these, there are some extras that you can take that don't get used, which are right here. So I've had to take them from here a couple times. These are used for a different variant. So like I said, you could just pop this broken one out, pop one in. Didn't break this time, so now I need to unplug the blower motor. which is this plug right here. Pull that forward. So now I got that prepped. Go ahead and remove this fuse. This one hasn't ran too much. Next, I need to undo this lock. Didn't mean to break it, but this fuse spot never gets used again, so it doesn't really matter. So to depin it, grab hold of just that one wire. I push up towards the fuse box first to release one of the pins, and then I'll put pressure on it. And then sometimes it works well, sometimes not so much. Sometimes. So now, I'll just come over here, get that off. That end's decommissioned. And then use my thinner guy here. Try not to break this. I need to remove this wire here. Now, this is where you get to see my custom depinning tool. Ready for this? Oh, butter. And same thing with this one. Decommissioned that line. I grab this new one. Leave that on, makes it easy to get it up here. So I like to try to get this as tidy as possible. Probably not able to see much of this part, but obviously you can see it coming up over the top. Bringing it down. So there's my new power wire. And then just like that. So now we have it there. Down up top, and there's a good amount of extra. So let's go ahead and this part. Got this little groove here. It goes right onto this. Just like that. Now this blower motor is live again with this new heavier gauge wire. As you can see here, it's quite a bit larger in diameter to handle that current. Take a zip tie and secure the extra out of the way. Sorry, it's not very easy to see. Now just tuck the remaining bit nice and tidy out of the way. Now we can get this put back in. Like so. Go ahead and get this locked back in. I forgot to trim my zip tie. No tools. It comes with this booklet with the new fuse layout in multiple different languages. I always just set it in here like that so the customer can see it. That's how you do the blower recall. And go ahead and verify the fix. Great airflow. If you like these more technical videos rather than just maintenance, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment any suggestions you have down below.